Right. Is Vamshi going for the test? How are you feeling, Vamshi?
Feeling nervous. Little bit, yeah.
Yeah, it's good to be nervous, but as long as you know you're gonna give your best, don't you?
Yeah, definitely. I'll give my best.
Good. Here you go, Vamshi at the test center. Test about to start. How are you feeling now, Vamshi?
Yeah, I'm feeling confident, but it is a bit nervous as well.
Oh, that's good. Confidence good. Let's walk inside now. We're gonna sit inside there. Vamshi's back from the test. Vamshi, how was it?
Yeah, great experience. Yeah.
Great experience. Right. Vamshi's back from the test.
Yeah.
And what was the result?
I passed.
Hey, congratulations, Vamshi.
Thank you so much for your time.
Well
Everything
done.
goes great. Goes to you. You teach very well.
Hey, you're a good driver now, aren't you?
Yeah, I'm a good driver because of you. Thank you so much.
Right, take care. Here we go. Vamshi brought me sweet. So nice of him.
Your favorite seat?
What we got?
Hapsa.
Hapsi halwa.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Your favorite seat.
Hey, thank you.